Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over the cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin, some other coins. I'm going to present some information to you where I do believe that within the cryptocurrency market, there's going to be a FOMO fifth wave. And after that wave, there's going to be a pretty serious crash, in my opinion. And then the recession at that point will probably be in full force, or however you want to put that, however you want to word that. I don't think that the recession is here yet. We still have pretty low unemployment. It is quickly catching up if you check out some of the data, but it is arriving, I think, guys. It is going to be arriving. So I'm going to present some information. I was taking a look at Bitcoin, guys, and going over some other charts and looking at the cryptocurrency market, including the total 2 and the total 3, Ethereum, Binance, and Bitcoin's just going about this in a little bit different way, and it's obviously a little bit harder to suss out. And I do think that there's, just looking at this wave and going over the totality of everything, guys, that there's going to be another drop. Okay, back to my original target areas at 15,200 to 16,800. Okay, and the reason I say that is if you take a look at this daily chart, guys, you see this peak right here on the daily chart where this RSI is and where that is right now. You can see that's setting itself up for a dump. That is hidden. I'll show you right here, guys. That is hidden bearish divergence. Okay. Just like you had it in the last leg. I made a video a couple months ago when this was going on, telling you guys it was going to drop right here at this point, right there. That was going to drop. Okay, so you're getting the same setup right here. And you just go through this RSI. Okay, I'm going to go walk through this RSI with you guys. Starting at this peak, you can see the fall down here to that peak. Okay, and then there's a reversal trend, and then down for this peak. And then you see this RSI point right here to there. Okay, you see that hidden bearish divergence? Well, it's doing it again, except this is more aggressive. This is more aggressive with that. So more than likely with the time that this is taking, guys, it's not ending up to me to be bullish. Can you get bullishness out of it? You could. I still think that the bearish signals are starting to take over for this move right now, to swing it and right back around, back down to those original target areas that I have, okay? And I think what this is going to be is a 5-wave move for Bitcoin, just like this, guys, okay? Without going into too much details, the reason this is going to be a 2, this is the 3, 4, and 5. And the reason I say that, if you take this second wave took the place of what the fourth wave usually is. The second wave is usually the sharper and swifter wave. Okay, in this case they reversed. This is the shorter and swifter, kind of like more deep wave to bring it back down. This was the longer, drawn out, shorter, longer wave. Okay, so they can happen with that with Elliott waves, guys. They can reverse places where the second wave is the shorter or the more long, drawn out wave, and this is going to be the shorter, more abrupt wave, if you will, and then bring this down for the fifth wave. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down into this area. So if this is a 5-wave move, this has to be a 3-wave move, and over here's a 3-wave move. I'm not going to go into too much detail about that, but it starts right over here with your 3-wave, 5, and then over here to bring it over here. Okay. Now here's the good news. I still do believe that there's going to be a FOMO fifth wave. And the reason I say that, guys, is that this now in the overall picture with the RSI is this is dragging it up a little bit more, like so, okay? And it's going to be bringing it down. Now, since this is going to be a fifth wave, okay? This is going to be a fifth wave here, guys. You should get a significant amount of bullish divergence. Let me go back out to the daily. You should get a significant amount of bullish divergence on this wave right here, okay? So this wave is going to come down like so, right? Okay, let's say to that area. You should get a significant amount of bullish divergence. So this is going to come down to this area just like that. So let me put the line. So it's going to drop down just like that, okay? And then this is going to be the reversal, in my opinion, and that's when the FOMO fifth wave is going to start. All right, guys, so in that area right there is where it's going to end. And then at that point, this is what I do believe is going to happen. It is going to be a 1, 2, this will be 3. This will be a nice deep fourth wave. And then I do have targets of 70,000. But, technically, according to this channel, if it ends in that area, according to this channel, it should be able to hit about 95 to 100,000 technically. Okay. So I don't want to get anybody's hopes up, but count on 70,000. Now, what is the other reasons why I say that? I'm not just going off the Bitcoin chart for that, okay? Because this all makes sense. I made previous videos talking about the economy where it's not quite in a recession yet. The recession is coming. All the data points are lining up for that. We don't have low unemployment, guys. It's not there. It's only 3.6%, okay? It's not here yet. It's slowly coming. The companies are starting to say, hey, we're going to have problems ahead. They're planning for it down the road right now. You're starting to see a little bit of that in the news. You're starting to see a little bit of that in the news. Hey, we need to start planning ahead because we know what's coming. They know what's coming. Some of the companies are forecasting that. And the charts are forecasting that too. So Bitcoin is going to have a FOMO fifth wave driven by fear right here, driven by fear. Okay. So here's the other reason why I'm going to say that. I'm going to go over some other charts and it all makes sense too. So let's say I go over near protocol, right? You have one more run. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, 5, done. Okay. Here's another chart, quant. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, done. Okay. All makes sense now. Here's another chart, KDA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, done. Here's BNB chart, the third biggest asset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, done. And then lastly, here is Ethereum, guys, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, done. Okay. And actually now Ethereum's going over Ethereum with you guys real quick. It's easier to suss out. You can see with this wave, the second wave was a shallower, long, drawn out wave. This fourth wave is becoming the deeper wave. Okay. This is another example. Wanted to show you guys that. So check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, like so. And you have 3 wave here, and then 3 wave here to make that flat move, and then it's going to go up. Now, some people are asking, okay, when it goes up here, what's going to correct deep? This is going to be the crash right here. So it's going to come up here, and then this is going to be the crash, guys. And somebody was asking, well, how deep is it going to go? Well, it's going to go at least, say it gets to there, it's going to go at least 50%, which is going to come right back to where it was, guys. So you see why in the cryptocurrency market, you don't hold your bags? What will be the point of buying it here to come all the way back over here again? Because that's probably what's going to happen, in my opinion. And that's going to be a conservative estimate. It could come back down to, say, 11,000 and also back down to 6,000, if you can believe it. It's going to correct this whole leg. So if you take a look at Bitcoin right now, what is it correcting? Bitcoin is correcting this leg. So this leg, you have this leg, it's correcting that leg. It corrected this leg. Now Bitcoin is correcting this leg over here. Then it's going to do this leg. So this is a whole sequence right here, guys. So now Bitcoin's going to correct this whole leg down, back down to there, and then back up. And then this area will be the recession. That's my thesis. I'm sticking to it until it's not proven, guys. If you made it all the way to the end, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.